All right, everybody, this is Stephanie. This is my new Bissell. This is the one for the pets or something, some kind of thing about pets. But I've had this thing for a couple of months now, and I'm getting in here to try to clean that up. Do you see that? Listen, I just moved that. I don't move furniture, but look what we got here, okay? That's just enough. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to show you that from this way. I'm going to take it and put it on the ground so you could probably see that.
Motion detected at front door.
And I am going to turn this thing on. Let's see what we got here. All right. First, we won't put that styrofoam. Styrofoam is too big. Let's see if we can go dirt chocolate stuff here. I was good with that. See how it goes?